a lot of the work that we do now is not just flying the drone and collecting images, but providing it in a more useful manner. And one of those ways is creating 3D models, digital twins, to supplement the standard surveys that we provide. And this example in particular was a good one because it's quite a complex farm setup, logistics kind of set of warehouses. And even if you were able to get on the roof manually, you know, getting into areas like this would be difficult. It would be very costly, and it would, you know, bring with it some risks. Whereas this data set was collected in about 2 hours with the drone. It was processed in 24 hours. And now the client has this interactive model that they can share with their team. And in this case, they'll be using it to design and install solar panels. So they've got thousands of square meters of roof space here that can potentially be used for solar panel installation. And we provided this model for context, but also out the back of it, provided them with accurate roof plans of every single one of these roofs that's on screen. So, you know, it's just a really good use case where the larger and more complex is where kind of drone technology really comes into play, because doing this any other way would be difficult.